Imagine a miracle cure that can transform your health, tackling everything from digestive issues to blood sugar control and even cancer prevention. This may sound like a bold claim, but the humble Moringa leaf has been touted as a nutrient powerhouse, capable of addressing a myriad of health concerns. But here's where it gets interesting. While some hail Moringa as a game changer, others remain skeptical about its benefits. So, let's dive into the world of Moringa and explore the science behind its supposed health benefits. Moringa, dubbed the miracle tree, has gained a significant following among health enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its leaves are packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate digestive issues, reduce chronic inflammation, and even slow down brain aging. But what exactly makes Moringa so special? According to Dr. Manickam, a gastroenterologist and gut health expert, Moringa leaves can be a valuable addition to your diet, particularly if you're struggling with digestive problems or chronic acid reflux. The leaves can aid digestion, neutralize stomach acid, and even repair the gut lining, making them an excellent natural remedy for those suffering from GERD. And this is the part most people miss. Moringa contains phytochemicals like glucosinolates, which can enhance digestive secretions and promote a healthy gut. But the benefits don't stop there. Moringa has also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, improving insulin function, and reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. A report by Medical News Today highlights the potential of Moringa extracts in supporting people with diabetes, and the findings are nothing short of remarkable. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation, Moringa may help slow the progression of the disease and lower the risk of related complications. And if that's not enough, Moringa may also play a protective role in gastrointestinal health, reducing the risk of colon cancer and even demonstrating a mild laxative action to ease constipation. But here's where it gets controversial. Some studies suggest that Moringa may have potential cancer-fighting effects. Thanks to its unique chemical composition, the leaves contain niacinamide, a naturally occurring compound that may hinder the growth and spread of cancer cells. While more research is needed to confirm these findings, the possibilities are undoubtedly exciting. So, how can you incorporate Moringa into your diet? The good news is that Moringa leaves can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from raw salads to cooked meals, teas, and even smoothies. You can also find Moringa in capsule form for a more concentrated dose of nutrition. As we explore the benefits and potential drawbacks of Moringa, we can't help but ask, could this miracle leaf be the key to unlocking better health? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Moringa lives up to its hype? Or is it just another health fad? Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about the future of health and wellness.